Hey guys, it's me, Desi Arnaz, and I just wanted to just reach out to you guys and just kind of have a little bit of a conversation. The other day I had a guy that was asking me some questions, and he was talking about some current event things that are going on, and I said, you know what? I don't even watch the news. I don't follow the news on social media. I'm just not that guy. And he was like shocked, like you don't follow the news, and I guess my answer to him on why I don't follow the news is that when I was a younger man, I remember the news being actual news and being kind of fair and balanced. But you know what I see today from both sides of the aisle? I see everybody's just trying to shock me and trying to get my attention. And I guess that's because there's so many things out there these days that just continuously pull at our attention and causes us to be distracted. And since everybody's so distracted, these news outlets and so forth, they've got to try to figure out a way to get your attention. So they're just trying to shock and awe you. With everything they do is like, they don't care if the news that they give you is 100% accurate or 75% accurate or 25% accurate. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you stop looking at the other shiny thing over there and look at their shiny thing. And that's what I'm really finding out about these news guys on both sides. It doesn't matter which news station you're talking about. They're all full of crap, in my opinion. And I'll tell you something else too. There was a time when these news people just reported the news. Now, in my opinion, most of it is their opinion. They might spend 60 seconds telling you about some newsworthy event, and then they spend 4 or 5 minutes telling you their freaking opinions, as though their opinions matter. They're supposed to be reporters, not editors, and certainly not talk show hosts. If they want to get a talk show, go get a talk show. So that's why I don't pay attention to the news. I don't really care about it. The important stuff does find its way to me through other sources, through people that I love, people that I trust. They'll share with me the important stuff. So I'm just saying this to you guys to just say, hey, look, be aware that newspapers are businesses. News stations are businesses. Their job is to try and report trying to make a profit. I'm sorry. Their job is to try and make a profit. And they're going to make a profit by selling more marketing, more advertising, and all that kind of stuff. And the rest of it is just chatter. They don't care at all about you getting the right information or good information or even accurate information. It's crazy what's going on out there. So that's all I wanted to say, guys. This is my Facebook Live today. Hey, it's Friday. You guys go out and have a good time. Have some fun. Be safe. Watch out for the coronavirus. Don't want to get those hooks in your lungs, right? But stay safe, but keep living your life too. Don't let these news media people scare you to death to the point that you're petrified, stuck in a corner in your room someplace, because life will squeeze you into a small corner if you let it. But you don't have to let it. God bless you guys.